Hello everyone, my name is Mitchell. Today I will talking to my Miss Book. It's Miss One is ice cream, Miss Two cake, Miss Three soup, Miss Four is salad. Miss One, how to make ice cream? You have two plastic bag, sugar, ice, salad, milk. You put sugar and milk into the plastic one. You put ice and salad in the plastic too. You put a plastic one into a plastic to shake, and you have an ice cream. Put it on the bowl. Miss two how to make a cake. You have to add flour, sugar, butter. You put two eggs in the bowl, flour, sugar, mix, put it on the bowl and in fire. You have a cake. Mix three is served. You have some carrot, water, salad. Put water and you put water in the bowl. You in fire. Put carrot and you have soup. Salad. You have lettuce, tomato, cucumber, mayonnaise. You cut a cucumber, tomato, let's you and you put in a bowl and you have put in little bit mayonnaise and you have a salad. It's the end. Goodbye.